Hey, watch out! Be careful!
It's heavy. Are you sure that's what we need?
Sure thing!
This building doesn't look reliable to me.
No panic! We're following the blueprints! Here, take a look. See? Aren't they carbon copies of each other?
Well, if you say so.
Oh!
No! Oh.
Oh no, my house! How could it happen?
Uh-oh, what's happened here? Are you okay?
I'll live. As for the accident, ask Sammy.
I just wanted to build a house, but it all went wrong!
It wouldn't have gone wrong if you'd listened to my advice.
Don't argue. I think you just chose the wrong materials.
Huh? Do you mean I can't fix it all with some tape?
I'm afraid not. How about using this?
Wow, I like the way you think. Looks cool. Sue, it looks not like a house, but like a castle. I really want to build it.
Great! How about the color?
The color is wonderful. It suits me, doesn't it? And these cute windows and balconies. Cute.
I think I deserve to choose the room first.
We'll use these pieces to build our house.
Look at the instructions, Sue. We gotta start with the walls.
No problem. Everything is ready. First, let's decorate it. Do you like this pattern, Sammy?
I like this texture more, Sue.
But this wall is finished. What do we do? I know. I'll glue it here.
That's why I need to pick textures, too.
Sure, Sammy. Next time, I'll ask you first.
That's the right decision.
Let's assemble the next piece.
Now we need windows. You're a great window maker.
Thanks, Sammy. Let's continue with the wallpaper.
Hurry up, Sue. I want to start furnishing.
I'm doing my best, Sammy. Do you like it?
Yep, I even made another wall. Please put it up.
Well done, Sammy.
Let me see what we gotta do next. Oh, a TV stand.
Look at these tiny details. Aren't they cute?
There are flowers. Nice. I love flowers.
Even if they're artificial?
Those are even better. They never wilt. This sofa looks very soft.
Let's put it here.
Whoa. What's next, Sue?
Let me check. Ah, a coffee table.
Could you put this flower on top?
Haha.
That's what I call tiny. Sue, let's add another sofa.
Sure.
Don't forget about the staircase.
Aha.
We need a longer staircase.
Yup. This one will fit perfectly.
While you're busy here, Sue, I'll go check on Penguin.
Let's assemble the kitchen.
What are you doing here, Penguin?
I'm busy with a new project. Do you like it? It's gonna be a huge building. Several floors.
It doesn't look bad, my friend, but this material is outdated. Come check what we're doing with Sue.
True. We're using only the best materials.
You could try something like that.
It really looks more modern. I'll build something similar.
I already know how I'll use all this furniture. Oh, I'll also need a small table, Sue.
Is this table small enough?
Just perfect.
You can can put sweets on this table.
Sue, but who's gonna live in this house?
I don't know, Sammy. Haven't you decided yet? But you can ask your friends.
Hey guys, who wants to live in this house?
Me, I want to live here.
Me too. Put me on the list.
I'd love to live in this house too, Sammy.
Friends, the house is too small for all of you.
That's true.
At least one of us has to fit. And it'll be me.
No, me. Stop it.
Sammy, how about us? We want to live in this house too.
I'm not sure, guys. I need to think.
Hey, I came here first. It's unfair.
Don't worry. Everyone will have a house.
Don't you know we can do magic? We can make ourselves smaller.
That's convenient. Could you show me? Wow, Sue, look at this. They're so tiny I can hardly see them.
Ah, they're the cutest.
We don't stand a chance here.
You're right. Nah. Such cuties need cute things.
Don't forget about a cute blanket.
Here we go. Lovely.
Yes, just what we need for our bunnies. What else will you add here?
A chair and a tiny table. They can read here.
I want to see it from up close. Wow, this is the bedroom of my dreams. Is it finished?
Not yet.
Cool, will the bathroom be just as stylish?
Don't even doubt it.
The tiles should be nice too. I've made a sink. Here it is.
How pretty. I've got a towel for this sink.
Shiver me, Cheddars. Just as I imagined it. I found a window, Sue.
Great. It's just what we need.
By the way, Sue, where are the rabbits?
I haven't seen them in a while.
Hey, Bunnies, where are you? Bunnies!
Well, Sammy was right. It doesn't look like the house I wanted to build. Duh.
Penguin, have you seen our rabbits? I can't find them.
Oh, Sammy, I'm so busy with the construction. I haven't seen any bunnies. Wait. Do you hear this noise too? That's weird.
I think they're stuck under that blue block. Ta-da!
Yay!
Oops. Sorry about that, guys. Are you okay?
Oh! You should stay away from such dangerous places, friends. I'll go check. Maybe your house is ready. Wow, the house looks so cozy and green.
What shall we make next, Sammy?
How about a few new windows?
That's a great idea.
Sue, could you make a balcony?
Sure, I'll do it right away.
Our bunnies will enjoy the fresh air there. I brought the banisters, Sue.
You help a lot, Sammy. Thank you.
It all looks great, but something is missing. I have this weird feeling, you know. What can it be, Sue? I don't get it.
Maybe some greenery? That's better. What do you think, friends?
Sue, you've forgotten about the roof.
I haven't, Sammy. See, it's ready. I just wanted to install electricity.
We're gonna have electricity?
Yep, we can't do without it in the evening.
So it means our house is almost ready?
Yep, just a few finishing touches.
Woohoo! I'm so happy! well.
That's not all, Sammy. Take a closer look.
Oh, this lamp is working. Turn off the light. Magical. I can't wait to see if our bunnies like it.
Let's see. Here you go, guys.
Wow!
Now let's take a closer look at the house.
And the last piece, seems to be ready.
What a cool house you've built. Good thing you listened to my advice.
Yes, Sammy. I've learned a lot about modern design.
Huh? Hey guys, where are you going?
Sorry, Sammy, but we like this house. More space!
Huh? Okay then. I'll get the house we built all to myself.
Thank you for coming, friends. I'm so happy.
Friends, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to build more houses with us. See you soon!